gem. This is chain forge. It helps us deploy an L2 without going through the rigorous process for manual deployment. So this is a quick demo of what my code does, and this is the interface. So you'd have a chain name. Let me just use this, and the chain ID URL. It has explore URL. It can either be a ruler or Palladium. You can decide whichever. And data availability, Ethereum L1. You see it can, and it corresponds here to. Let's leave it as Ethereum L1. Now we can regulate how much we are expecting to flow, and you see that it reflects here. The monthly breakdown is actually reflecting here. If I try to see just an estimation of how much gas is going to be spent on the network, we keep track of that. You can see it here, and moving on to the next. So what is network configuration? What is the native token on the network? We can customize token. Let's go with native ETH. So should the network be public? Just anybody can anybody just have access to the network, or is it private? So for now, let's leave it as a public network, and connect to aggregate. Can also be optimism. Can be this optimistic ruler. Let's make it an optimistic ruler. Alright, and yeah, we're good to go. We have the architecture, we have the gas settings, the player security standard compliance. So let's launch it. So we have yeah, I deployed it. So you don't need to do a manual um, you don't need to do a manual deployment. So I've done that. So it's actually meant to do a pop-up and so that I can connect my wallet, but I've done that already. I connected my Ethereum address to it. That's the reason why it deployed automatically without needing me to sign in my transactions anymore. So this is the network. It's just taking note of it. This is just something for the demo so that we can see that this is working as expected. And we have the compliance here. We can enable monitoring here. We have gas fees, the Genesis configurations. We have this, and now the dev standard. So this is just a quick demo of how chain iForge works. It helps you deploy and customize an L2 on Polygon.